Dicey, Barnett, Tahojifkaros. Ambassador Edward Barnett doing. Tachkidari, Amy Randall Doris. Chesky, Daddy, Reverend John Berryhill Doris. Mormon, Cheskidar Iskinara Omadis. Songi Batman Omadis. Unga Chokahetskan Yan Wilson Man Aren Haram Man Wicked Bristol Man Fishboy Edidos Chokahetskan Man en nak sagitli ban ondos man arheridos moment taskidar en mekusakkatsako totsinin ifkinarad aasel paled oklolobi palen aasade luis man songi baridi moes puidage amalekere dat konobagiduis puidage oza tsakkibin munka empuidage ada so good followers lucky oven and leg doers hamgen nak simone haneres nage abeleje batsidain sotkos inistos sala had it budjo polabutsko so sala had dora nak joke simone haneres mabohet statjaka magen yeah, keji. Mon, je bola wagit, some tories, market leg even. Hadan, abeleje and wagi gudan, fully doings. Moment, hadan, Pomanado, you wanna hear a dirty joke, Morgan? Yeah, get you. Boy fell in the mud, Morgan. Morgan. Market, boy, leg in, and pohichet leg in. Abilhoyer man oflen abilet fully the ones man haram nak okona hando is at Madeus in Marcus and Mojinet Oklolobi Totsini and Aramin Chenitskayo man Shibujakhohin man Nokirijakon Waken Nakisa Waken Oosiped man motineten man läkedyis. My name is Dicey Barnett. I live 2 miles south of this school. My husband is Edward Barnett. My mother was Amy Randall. My father was Reverend John Berryhill. I have 5 children and grandchildren. I've lost count. I went to school here until my senior year. I went to Bristol and graduated there. And I was telling the joke that my brother told us when we were growing up. He said, "I want to tell you all a story. I want to hear it." And we would say, yeah. And he said, he said, Yabulawagi Jumsodi. And you know that the elephants can't bounce up and down. That's why it was so funny. And he would just sit there and let us look at us, and we'd bust out laughing. And then he told another one. He said, "Y'all want to hear a dirty joke?" And we said, yeah. And he said, a boy fell in the mud, and the dirty joke was that he fell in the mud and got mud all over him. And that was the jokes that he would tell us. And my dad, he had 3 churches that he would pastor. That was Choska in Bristol, Kanjari in Okmulgee, Twin Hills, and Bikazita in Okmulgee, until he passed away. And I believe that's all I have to say.